guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am filming and uploading a little bit later because I wanted it to be as quiet as possible. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video. I did go and pick up a few packages over the weekend. I do have a Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul coming up. I did place a few different orders and I did collect one already, and another one is scheduled to arrive for pickup tomorrow. So I'm just gonna combine these two instead of making several different videos. I placed 3 orders in all. The third one was delivered to the warehouse today, so I'm not gonna get it until like the middle to the end of next week. And that package only has 3 items in there, like a pear berry body mist, the lotion, and a body butter. But yeah, that's only 3 items. The 2 packages that the one I got and the one that's coming, those have more items in there, so that's gonna make for a fun haul once they are compiled. So anyway, since we're waiting on that, I'm going to be unboxing a gift I got from a good friend of mine, Kim. Hey girl. So she got me some stuff from Supergoop. They are a company that sells SPF in different forms, and I did get 4 different forms in this package. So I'm just gonna open it up, talk about some of the forms, and show you guys basically what I got. Don't have to worry about the address showing. My stuff is shipped to, yeah, her stuff is not on this. My stuff is shipped to an overseas warehouse, so I'm not worried about that. So opening up the box, it does have a little message on the inside of it, which I like. I think it's a cute touch, and it says the SPF you want to wear every single day. So that is exciting because summer is going to be summering. If you know me personally, I don't like the sun, and when it's hot I sunburn easily. So do my kids. So this was a great gift to receive. I'm very thankful to her. So opening the box, obviously I already opened it because I'm nosy, and today is Sunday and I think I picked this up on Friday, so I did open it. So I took the packing material out, and this is what is included in there. So getting down into the items, so the first item I'm gonna grab is the Supergoop Sunscreen SPF lotion for babies and kids, and according to this, it has 100% non-nano mineral, which I think, not 100% sure, that means that it is reef safe, which is great if that's important to you. It should be. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen SPF, and it is water resistant for up to 80 minutes. So that is what it is looking like, and the packaging is super cute. I used this, actually I think I picked it up Thursday. Yeah, I picked it up on Thursday because both of my kids had PE on Friday, so I made them wear a little bit of it to school. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't find that it has a smell, so if you have sensitive skin and you're looking for a sunscreen, I would recommend this. No fragrance, that's always good. The next item is this lip balm. This is the Play SPF 30 lip balm with mint. I love a lip balm or a chapstick with mint. And this is also a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30, and this is what it looks like. I also did try this one out already too. It does have a nice soothing minty feel, which I love. So I will be saving this for the summer. The next item I have here is the Supergoop Play SPF 50 Antioxidant Body Mist with vitamin C. So it is also water and sweat resistance up to 80 minutes. So I guess that is a trademark of all of their products. And it's also a broad spectrum sunscreen. It has some little things at the bottom. You guys are not going to be able to see, but I was just looking at the back to see if I can find why they put the asterisk there, but I'm not readily seeing it. But this is what it looks like. This is a spray on SPF, which I find is best to use like when you're going to the beach, so that's exciting to have. And last but definitely not least, and this is the cutest bottle I've ever seen, if I must say so myself. This is also the Supergoop Play SPF 50 Everyday Lotion with sunflower extract. And like I said, it's water resistant up to 80 minutes and a broad spectrum sunscreen. So this container is 18 fluid ounce. And this is probably what I would be using for like daily use once it starts to get sunny and hotter outside. So yeah, it's come sealed. I did smell this one. This one does have a fragrance, but it is one of those fragrances that, how can I describe it? It's like when something is supposed to not be fragranced, but it does have like a little smell. That is what it smells like, but it's not an unpleasant smell. I like it. And bottle is sealed. I just love how this looks with the little handle and the pump. So yeah, these are all exciting to have as a part of my skincare, especially once it gets hot. And that is it for this video. I do want you guys to look forward to my review of the items once I start actively wearing them. If you want to see that, you can subscribe and turn your notifications on. But until then, I do want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you liked what you saw, leave a comment down below. And bye.